Hey everyone, before you spend a penny on either of these, watch this comparison because the real value only becomes clear right at the end.
Today, you're going to learn the difference between Wave and QuickBooks Online, starting with pricing. Wave is known for being one of the most affordable accounting tools available today because its starter plan is completely free. This plan includes unlimited invoicing, estimates, and billing records without charging a monthly fee. It's ideal for freelancers and very small businesses who want basic bookkeeping without cost. Wave does offer a paid pro plan at $9.50 per month when discounted, which adds auto-imported bank transactions, automated categorization, unlimited receipt uploads, payment reminders, and access to faster online payment processing. But even with its pro plan, Wave remains significantly cheaper than most competitors. Next, let's look at QuickBooks Online's pricing. QuickBooks offers several paid plans depending on your business size and the features you need, and the screenshot shows their current discounted rates. The Simple Start plan is $19 per month, Essentials is $37.50, Plus is $57.50, and Advanced is $137.50. These discounts apply for the first 3 months before the price increases to full cost. Each tier adds more users and more advanced features, so QuickBooks can become expensive quickly as your business expands. Still, many companies choose it because of its reputation and powerful reporting capabilities. Now let's examine Wave's features. Wave lets you create professional invoices, track expenses, categorize transactions, generate financial reports, and manage cash flow, all from one dashboard. Wave's interface is simple and clean, making it easy for beginners to understand. You can connect your bank account, track payments, send reminders, and view income and expense trends over time. The free plan supports unlimited customers and invoices, and the mobile app allows quick access to your financial data from anywhere. Wave also supports online payment acceptance, letting your customers pay with credit cards or bank transfers, although processing fees apply. For small businesses that need basic accounting without unnecessary complexity, Wave's toolset covers the essentials. Wave also includes features like receipt scanning using your phone, customizable invoice templates, cash flow tracking, and the ability to manage bills and vendor payments. While it doesn't offer advanced inventory management or project tracking, it does a great job simplifying bookkeeping for users who just need the basics. Wave integrates with payroll in select regions, although payroll is not available in every country. Wave is built for simplicity, which makes it easy to navigate even if you're not familiar with accounting terminology. Now let's explore the pros and cons of Wave. One of Wave's biggest strengths is its affordability. The free plan removes the financial barrier for new entrepreneurs, allowing them to handle invoicing and bookkeeping without worrying about monthly fees. Another advantage is its simplicity. Many users love Wave because it avoids the clutter and complexity found in larger accounting systems. The interface is intuitive and the learning curve is minimal, which makes it ideal for freelancers, sole proprietors, and small service-based businesses. Wave also offers clean, professional invoicing and reliable payment acceptance, giving small companies tools that feel polished without costing extra. But Wave does have its downsides. It is not built for advanced business operations. For example, Wave does not include inventory tracking for product-based businesses, nor does it offer detailed project management tools. Multi-user permissions are limited, so Wave isn't ideal for larger teams needing multiple accounting roles. Another limitation is that Wave's automation features are simpler compared to bigger systems, meaning growing businesses may eventually outgrow the platform. Additionally, customer support can be slower for free users since priority help is reserved for pro subscribers. And while Wave offers powerful invoicing tools, its reporting features are not as deep as what QuickBooks provides. Nonetheless, Wave remains an excellent option for businesses wanting simplicity over complexity. Now let's explore QuickBooks Online's features. QuickBooks is one of the most recognized accounting platforms in the world, and it's designed for businesses that need more robust and scalable financial tools. QuickBooks allows you to manage income and expenses, reconcile bank accounts, track inventory, run payroll, manage bills, prepare taxes, and generate highly detailed financial reports. One of its strongest features is its automation. QuickBooks can automatically categorize expenses, match transactions, and alert you to discrepancies. Its dashboards are customizable and give you a complete overview of how your business is performing. The platform also integrates with hundreds of third-party apps, making it extremely flexible for complex workflows. QuickBooks also offers strong multi-user functionality. Depending on your plan, you can add your accountant, team members, or managers with different access levels. Features like advanced reporting, budgeting tools, and project profitability analysis are available in the higher tier plans. For product-based businesses, QuickBooks Plus includes inventory management that tracks stock levels, product costs, reorder points, and vendor relationships. Businesses relying on contractors or employees benefit from QuickBooks Payroll, which can be integrated directly into the accounting system. These features make QuickBooks a powerful all-in-one solution for companies that require detailed tracking and advanced financial insights. Now let's explore the pros and cons of QuickBooks. On the positive side, QuickBooks is extremely powerful and offers a wide range of tools that can grow with your business. It has deep reporting capabilities, advanced automation, and strong integrations. Many accountants prefer QuickBooks because of its structure and reliability, making collaboration easier. The platform is intuitive once you learn it, and the higher tier plans offer features like cash flow forecasting, inventory tracking, and project costing that many larger businesses depend on. QuickBooks is also widely supported by bookkeepers and consultants, meaning it's easy to find help when you need it. However, QuickBooks does have downsides. It is significantly more expensive than Wave, especially after the initial discount period ends. The pricing structure can feel overwhelming, and costs increase quickly as your business needs grow. QuickBooks also has a steeper learning curve, which may be intimidating for beginners. Some users feel overwhelmed by the number of features, menus, and reports. Another drawback is that certain features are locked behind higher tier plans, even if you only need one or two advanced tools. While QuickBooks is powerful, smaller businesses may find themselves paying for more than they actually use. Now let's look at ratings. QuickBooks Online is widely reviewed across major platforms. On Capterra, ratings are often between 4.4 and 4.5 stars. Users praise its strong reporting, integrations, and reliability, while common complaints include pricing and occasional syncing issues. Wave also appears on these platforms with positive ratings, often around 4.4 stars. Users appreciate its affordability and ease of use, but point out limitations in inventory, project management, and scalability. So here is the final takeaway. Choose Wave if your business is small, service-based, or just getting started, and you want a simple, free, and easy-to-use accounting tool. It's perfect for freelancers and small teams who don't need advanced features. Choose QuickBooks if your business is growing, needs deeper insights, has multiple team members, or requires advanced tools like inventory, project tracking, or complex reporting. QuickBooks offers more power, automation, and scalability, even though it comes with a higher cost. If this comparison helped you understand which accounting software fits your business, comment below and tell me what tool you want me to compare next. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future tutorials.